Cupido. You know that song? Ako na ay tulungan mo. Hi, I'm Dr. Chari Baliser. I am the medical director of Camiseta Skin Clinic, a chain of clinics in Manila and now in Cebu, and about to open another 2, hopefully, God willing. And I'm here with Dr. Shea, and we are enjoying our time immensely. I feel so full because the Agnes company fed us so much today. So, and I don't feel cold because I have my warmers in my pocket, and they also gave it to me today. And we've just had a good lecture, and we were able to go to Olibyang, where we purchase everything that we want from Korea. Because as you know, Filipinos, they really like Korean products. We are Nora! Okay, for double tight, we use it mostly for the pores and for hydration of the skin of the face and also of the neck. For Agnes, we use it mostly for acne as well as for syringoma, which is quite prevalent in Manila. And now we have something new that we can give to our patients, and that's double tight for the hand, for rejuvenation of the hand, which will definitely hydrate also the skin and eliminate fine wrinkles. When patients come in with big pores, they know that they have big pores, they're suffering from big pores. Therefore, we definitely would recommend double tight for them to be able to achieve the result that they are looking forward to. And in 99%, the patients will be very happy about it. And for Agnes, because there's no specific treatment for syringoma, now we have Agnes and we have very good results for our patients. First of all, double tight is not painful, unlike other treatments, which we have also in our clinics. And it's able to deliver whatever you promise to the patient. And if the patients are happy, the doctors are happier. When my patients are satisfied with the treatments, which I promised to them, then I'm happiest. Like if I tell them they get to have that kind of glass skin that they like to have, and they are able to achieve it, then you have very happy patients who talk about it to other patients, and definitely you'll have more patients in your clinic, and you'll have more patients for your practice. And this does not only happen to me, it also happens to the other branches that are offering double tight. First, I tell them about the pores, which is really what it's recommended for. Then we also tell them about the fine lines and wrinkles that can be helped, and of course, the hydration that produces the glass skin effect. Well, they're so happy because there's almost no downtime. The patients come out of the clinic looking like pinkish only, and they're very happy about that because they can go about doing whatever they have to do for that day, or if not that day, especially the next day, because there are no more telltale signs of the treatment. Double tight, Tebakya! Kaya sana paniwalaan mo